Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, my last video I recorded a little while ago, we had a major crank seal or air leak in the cylinder. All right, we had some air bubbles come down here from the bottom of the cylinder around here. So right now we're going to take the bottom part of this cylinder off and we're going to reseal it. Okay, here. See how easy it come off? Shouldn't do that. All right. Oh wow. Yeah. See, it didn't have enough on there. Okay. All right, because we had a major leak in this thing. So I think I might be able to just go ahead and reseal it up again and put it back together and see what we got. I'm gonna find though, I want to see if there's any cracks in the cylinder, which I don't think there is. So I don't see any cracks in there anywhere. Okay. So it's almost like somebody's been through this before, guys. Okay, see the goop in there? All right. Now see, here's a factory seal right there. All right. So I don't know. I think somebody had this part before. Just didn't put enough on it. Okay, there's some goo down in here in the crank deal here. Yeah. Yeah, whatever you're doing this, guys, take a blade or a surprise. So what I'm doing here, I'm putting a light, kind of like a light amount of goop on this cylinder here. We don't want to get too much on here though. Just like I'm doing right now. I'm going to put a little bit down here in the front too, a little bit, because this is where it was leaking the most. Now this doesn't dry too fast, friends, okay? So when you put this on, don't be in a big hurry. It won't dry up. It's not like it's a quick JB weld or anything like that. I'm going to put a little extra on the bottom down here. Just want to make sure it don't leak. Here we go. Put the cap back on. Squish her down a little bit. Now we're going to place her in the saw, just like so. Now flip it upside down like this. Okay, just like that. Go your bolts back in. Ooh. All right, now what I'm going to do, go back now and double check the bolts by hand. Okay. What we're going to do here, friends, after I've done all this, I'm going to let this sit here and dry for probably at least I don't know. We're going to let it dry for a while, because the reason I want to do that, friends, because I want to make sure that the gasket maker sits up fully good and cures. Because I'm going to do it now, after it gets dried up for a while, I'm going to go back and do our pressure test. I'm going to see if we cured our leaking issues. Okay? So well, that's it for right now, guys. We'll let it sit and dry for a while. And I'll do another vacuum pressure test on it, and we'll see if we got the holes cured up and the leaks. Okay? All right, guys. You guys like the video, give me one of these. And make more videos. Okay? All right, let's see the flip side.